Me ba me bo mama ne say Speaker of Parliament Eddie Enkrata through the lawyers Eddie akwa Chief Justice ni Supreme Court concerning ruling now mo de baye efa parliamentary seat no ho no na ene Supreme Court led by Madam Tokono Chief Justice the responsible na response no memeti na enya me nwanwa bebre Madam Tokono say wabwatu agu enya ade a obe reverse ne nde obe reverse ne china and again su krampo no obia ne ho kwan se obetwi Supreme Court anu awo from not even the president, not even the vice president or whoever. And to obia ne wa Supreme Court the ruling beba obetwi aye den e de awo ho nti Madam Tokono say bebi omugina na omugusu aye den ejina enya de a ombe reverse bibi enya de ombe yes a ruling no ho hwi ti en send message we Emma Speaker and in Crawford. Yentie Madam Tokono Emra.
Not even the President and Vice President are exempt from obeying the orders of the Supreme Court when they are made to give effect to its duty to prevent a violation of the Constitution. Because of the irreparable harm to the constituencies made up of hundreds of thousands of Ghanaians who would have lost their MPs without the option of a by-election, and the irreparable harm to the MPs who would have lost their seats in Parliament in these last few weeks to the 7th December elections, if the meaning put on Article 97(1)(g) by the Speaker was enforced without a clear determination of the disputes around it, this court found it expedient to compel the parties to allow an early hearing rather than make an order that would last only 10 days. This is the reason for the Supreme Court's orders abridging the 14 days allowed for defending a constitutional action through a statement of case and directing the parties to file their respective statements of cases within 7 days and present the issues for resolution immediately thereafter. If the parties had complied with the court's orders, this would have taken all of the 10 days the applicant urges an ex parte order ought to last. Compliance would also have enabled this court to dispose of this case by this week, including the question of whether the suit is competent in form or the jurisdiction of this court has been properly invoked. It is important, and the question of whether the jurisdiction has been properly invoked is different from whether the jurisdiction exists. It's a different legal question. It is important to place on record that both the plaintiff and the Attorney General have complied with these orders, and this court is able to complete hearing of this suit if the Speaker chooses to file no processes. For the above reasons, the application is refused.
Abusiafo se we de mwankasa mwate na mwasana hu. This is Madam Tokono, Chief Justice. Or no, ena Ghana Judiciary esine nanso. What is sema waka no? Chese Supreme Court obi antimi mfa Supreme Court anu enwo form. Yati asie, no problem. There is some part of the constitution na Emma Supreme Court kwan. But nka me gina ba bia Madam Tokono e kasa na. Ka me bisa ne se. Entinu adentina wey wo mu ye ntem di ruling ba ya. Ana say adentina this case no they are very serious about it. Small time na entempa mu di responsible. They are very serious. Just gidi bibia accurate or mu ye ntem about this case cases na akane de wo maye di wo me hu Madam Tokono nde ya. That will be the question na maybe sorry. Adentia why? What is the problem? What is the reason? Enunye cases ana. You see, you don't need a PhD before you can understand that your judiciary na say a time shele koso. So akwa say case ni be ko in favor of the government in power there yenye them. But say case ni be ko against the government in power there yen twitwa so. Enti ende mu sha Madam Tokono ɛno Supreme Court judges na mumbi so omo say e-levy asem na eda so da since 2022 no da ben ena ye be ye ho judgment. Because listen, they don't want to do the judgment. Na ye nka say wo ma di aboa aban no. They don't want to do the judgment. Na enko in favor of NDC MPs no omo do court no. Nti sa de ye ma ne nkunkon ho. You look at some case like LG Deben anti-bill no omo do court ho. Say usha sa issue no so a enu so another problem. Supreme Court Madam Tokono ni judges, all of them, they have refused to what? To speak on that issue. They have refused to open it. Any other cases baby me say Supreme Court cases are palliable hono enye cases kitwa ne nyina ye bie so. There are a lot of cases anka ye salary na ya di case wo ewo Supreme Court say de ukoto wa cha o salary na anka sa case we da chire kura anka is not anywhere close to even start judgment. But ya two cases ni nyina tra because enu de enko aban ni favor ntinu ya two ni nyina tra ena ya ba wesu entempa less than 24 hours ya ye ruling. Speaker sending the message call less than 48 hours once omudi responsible. But e-levy case na say any other issue ebeko government in favor more. And as any other issue ebeko against the government no ma diameri o ma yeda o ma kata no so. They don't rush like how they rush to rule cases ebeko in favor of what? The government. This is where our judiciary is. Baby a buying way as say the judiciary na kodru ni time. So now the message I'm sending is that now Parliament so enkantre Madam Tokono ni nkrofo ni say if omo say they reject it no problem. Say Speaker of Parliament be a court na woman kasambrambe enforce ruling. They should come and enforce it. Interest when a majority na when a minority. They themselves to come there. They should come there or they should go there and enforce their own ruling. Because Parliament is who on the jurisdiction. Parliament is who on the to me. Constitution na Emma Madam Tokono kwine Supreme Court no. That same constitution and I catch there. Bagbin so obetima yesa that same constitution e ka kire Bagbin. So eba ne say na mumu de mu say mu ye right but Bagbin de ye right. Ghana ye wo two constitution ana. Enya one constitution. So why? Me say Ghana for ya nto aban tie aban we amana nko opposition na. Ade omu ye ne nkitwa se ba omu ato aso a for third term a. Afa na ye behu niama akese we so Wesa, who do case be court na ya papers ni ya sure so na akọ. This is small. Me say MPP and co-opposition this country we are doomed forever. Why on so? Anyway,